Hi guys! We're now actually leaving our house. I have the consent form with me. We're going to the vaccination site here in Steinbach. We're going to get our COVID-19 vaccine. I'm actually kind of scared. This is breathtaking, but I know the vaccine will help us. The address?
294
It's at 294
Lumber Avenue.
Lumber Avenue, Steinbach, Manitoba. So we're now waiting. We're now done getting our Pfizer COVID vaccine. We're now heading home. Yeah, it bled a little bit. That's why I asked for a band-aid. I can now feel the heaviness of my arm. And it is sore on the site. I hope it will go away soon. We'll see. Until tomorrow. But I'm glad that I received the vaccine already. So at least I have a fight against the killer virus. And I will just wait for my second dose. Hi guys, so it's now 48 hours post-vaccination. I can say that I am totally fine right now, but yesterday I had the redness, the pain and swelling on the injection site, and then I had headache and nausea every now and then, and I also felt chills and I was feverish. So overall, I think there's nothing to be afraid of with the vaccine. I think it's just a natural reaction that our body is doing or responding to the vaccine. But I'm glad that I took the first step, my first dose of the vaccine, so I don't have to worry too much about the killer virus, and I have a protection against it.